Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie, the Midwest Seller, and today I am going to bring you a haul video. So this haul video is going to be actually the very last of my consignment clothing, and I have 5 boxes about this size. I'm not going to go through all of them obviously today, but I figured we'd go through one of them and see what we've got. This is from my client that lives in Chicago, and she recently had a baby and went through her closet and is clearing out her personal items. So she does not buy to sell things. She actually is just a clothes horse, I guess. She loves clothing and is getting rid of a lot of clothes that she won't be needing anymore. So this is my very last of my consignment clients items. So I thought that would be fun to go through. I've been away for a while. I've been on vacation in Texas, and it's been about a month since I've made any videos, so I've missed you all. I'm happy to be back, and I am excited to get started and see what we have. So before I left for Texas, I've actually tried to send in as much as I could before I left to Amazon, and that's going well. You know, I'm still building up my inventory there. I'm selling consumables over on Amazon, and it's usually like a sale a day, so I can see, if you scale up, really the potential that Amazon has. Things that I had sitting on eBay that did not move at all has been consistently selling on Amazon, which I'm really excited just to get rid of some inventory there. Alright, so let's get started. I think what I will do is go ahead and, you know, show you the size of the box. Again, I have 5 of these to open, and she spent money to send these to me from Chicago. Okay, so she went through her closet and kind of, I guess, donated the stuff that was not worth selling and gave me the rest. And I have, again, 5 of these boxes that I need to work through, and they're pretty heavy, so they're stocked full. What I figured I would do is just go ahead and open them up and put them in a, you know, just a pile here, and get my little rack and just kind of go through them one by one and see what we've got here. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this opened up. You know, I quit selling on Poshmark. I still have my closet there, but I think I'm just going to stick with eBay with these clothes. She said they were pretty nice, high-end. Ooh, this is one thing. Whenever I send something, I always put like a piece of cardboard or something to protect it so you don't slice the clothing. So anyway, here we go. There's that. I'm going to go ahead and probably stack them up and go through them. So give me a minute and I'll get those out of the box. Alright, so I've also wanted to ask you guys, I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon for reaching, I've been at just over 500 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. And I want to do another giveaway for reaching 500. I just don't know what to give away. So if you have any ideas on a giveaway, let me know in the comments. If you guys think it would be fun to do just a simple gift card, or maybe some merchandise from my store, or even some handmade dog bandanas from my Steppenwolf Etsy shop. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below what I should do for a giveaway. Alright, so the first item is a pair of, it's like a faux leather, I bet, Liverpool. She did say a lot of this was still new with tags. This is high rise ankle skinny by Liverpool, size 6. It's cotton, so it's a cotton that looks like leather, size 6. I thought I could hang them up as I go, but that's going to take some time. Alright, okay, so this box looks like it is primarily pants and jeans. So if you're not interested in that, you might want to skip ahead into my next box number 2 unboxing. But anyway, these here are a pair of pants. They look like a cheetah print, leopard, maybe leopard print, cheetah print. And they are from Level 99, size 28, Janice Ultra Skinny. Those are really cute. Alright, I have another pair of jeans. These look pretty tiny. J brand, pair of dark skinny jeans. They look like they're tapered jeans, 5 pocket, real basic. Don't see a size. Oh, here we go, size 27. Size 27. I like the darker denim, personally, darker denim blue jeans. These are cute. These are a pair of kind of a light wash denim with a drawstring tie. Cute detail, and they've got the rough Rough edges on the bottom. This is wish list jeans, size medium. Kind of like a drawstring waist with super big pockets. Kind of a wider leg. Those are cute. All right, and the next one we have rag and bone jeans. Those are nice. High rise ankle skinny, size 28. Very cute. These will do well. And okay, and these are a cotton polyurethane blend. A little bit of stretch to them. Okay, here's another rag and bone jeans. That's awesome. I think these will do well. These are black, good for the fall and winter. Rag and bone jeans, size 29. Just your basic black jeans, and they have a little bit of fraying on the bottom. Here is a top. Okay, so this is a black sheer, sparkly, sleeveless. This guy is Walter Baker. So that'll do well, I think. That's super cute. It has like little, the little beading on there. There are some tops in here. All right, so we've got Collective Concepts Extra Small. This is a sheer blouse. That's pretty. It has some black trim. I like these flowy blouses. The next item we've got is a denim skirt, distressing. This is Nobody denim, and this is called the Piper skirt, size 28, high rise mid-length. All right, so here is a close-up of that. Has a cute little detail on the pocket there. Nobody denim. Okay, and now we have some Lovers and Friends, size medium, and these are some silky pants with the white stripes going down the center. Really cute, comfy pants, real silky feeling. Okay, so the next item we've got is just Ann Taylor Loft, size 2, and this is the Julie trouser. Good career work pant, size 2. They look like a little bit of flare at the bottom. I would say mostly straight with just a touch of flare at the bottom. And here is Laundry by Shelley Segal, size 6, and this is a dress pant that is a super light pink. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a really light pink, and they've got the not on the front, but on the back it has the elastic. That's cute. All right, nice dress pants. And we have J. Crew, the Marty pants, size 4, and this is new with tags. This is the black and white houndstooth. Marty, J. Crew, size 4, and this has the black pinstripe on the side, and it looks like it has a side zipper closure, flat front. Alrighty, the next item, Banana Republic Heritage. This is like a military green color, and these are, they look like a pair of cropped pants. So here's the tag. They almost feel like a linen blend. Let me see. They are viscose and linen. So pair of cropped pants. They look cropped anyway. On me they're not, but I'm short. Okay, and the next item we have is new with tags as well. These are Gap, size 2, flat-waisted, just a little pair of dress shorts, the side zipper, new with tags. These were originally $49.95. Very cute. And then we've got a quilted vest. Okay, this is J. Crew, extra small. This will be great for fall. Isn't that adorable? It's like a nylon, quilted nylon vest. Very cute. Everything's very cute. Okay, the The next item is a pair of Alice and Olivia. I'll show you the tag here. Alice and Olivia, this is new with tags. It says MSRP $295. Slacks. And with a wide leg, flat front. And then it has like the faux pockets on the back. $295. I can't imagine. They're called Bright Poppy is the color, and they're just polyester. They're not silk or anything, so. Alice and Olivia, very nice. Okay, the next item is just a little tank PJ salvage. So this is just nothing, this is just a cute little PJ salvage top. And we've got another pair of jeans. This is Marc by Marc Jacobs Ella Skinny. And these are like the faded black color 5-pocket jeans. A little bit of a taper to them. Okay, we are almost done here. Just have a few more. So how's everybody's sales been going? I honestly have to admit I have been behind on watching your videos. If you make videos, just know that I will catch up, and a lot of times I will watch but I won't comment, so I do support you guys. Banana Republic premium denim, and this is a pair of black jeans, just simple Banana Republic. The tag is pretty faded, so well, it says high-rise skinny jeans size 27, but this tag here is pretty worn. All right, and then next up we have Wishlist jeans size large, and it's a kind of a cute little different cut. It has a ruffle waistline, wider leg, and it's almost like a, I don't know what color, a dusty rose. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but is it like a dusty rose color? Real pretty. The next is a pair of red shorts, and these these are Marc by Marc Jacobs, size 8. Her little red shorts. And we've got a Sol Angeles, and this is just a cute little comfy sweatshirt, a pre-yacht, after yacht. That's really super soft, very soft. That looks very comfy. Okay, the next one is just a pair of J. Crew again. J. Crew Campbell trousers size 4. In kind of like a nutmeg, light brown, flat front. Alrighty, a few more items, guys. Okay, the next up is a Sanctuary top, size small, and it is a plaid top with some ruffles. A little bit of ruffle on the sleeve. This is perfect for fall. Going into fall, very cute. And we have Urban Outfitters, size medium. This is like a crisscross little halter. So it's like one of those, you know, stretchy fabrics. That'd be really cute on, I bet. All right, the next item is another red and black plaid, Ralph Lauren, size medium, and this is just gonna be probably a basic button-up shirt. It's very soft, it's really soft, it's like a flannel. All right, so there's that. And we have a pair of Levi's 501. Size are these? Okay, so these are Levi's 501 28 waist, 30 length. And we've got some ripped out jeans, ripped out in the knees. They're a button fly with some distressing. 12, so I don't know this brand, but it's 12 by Aunt Weith. Size 29, lightweight, light wash denim, distressed. Some big pockets on the back. I'm sure these were factory distressed, like so. Anybody out there know those jeans? Let me know. Okay, and then this is your girlfriend jeans, black. They've got some zippers on the side here, and these are a size 29. I think we got some good stuff in that first box. So tell me what you guys think. What was your favorite item? I think this one right here is my favorite. I think this is just a real nice classic fall essential that everybody needs in their closet. Okay guys, that is it. I'm gonna wrap it up. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see some more haul videos. I've got 4 more boxes to go through. She's got some really good clothes. Okay guys, see you in the next one. Bye.